Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I am Nuria. In this video I am going to teach you how to style a group of elements using a div. In HTML, a div is a container. As we proceed, I want to show you how you declare a div or how you create it. Here in this case I have two elements contained inside a div, an image and a paragraph. Following this, I want to show you how far the div extends by applying a border. This will set the color of the text element of the paragraph to white. At the moment, this is how our div looks like, and all styling that we have applied so far has been using the div. But if you want to apply a specific effect to only a single element or to each element a different style, you can do so using class or ID identifier. For example, to change the paragraph font size to make it bigger and the color without affecting the image, also for the image we can apply some styling. Let's say width, yes, this is how our web page looks like after applying a style for each element using a class identifier. You can also position or move the paragraph to bring it closer to this one. Let's do that by using the position element, and then instead of using top here, instead of using top a positive number, we are supposed to use a negative number, so it is going up. Let's run and see after applying this effect what it looks like. Yeah, so you can see that using class or ID you can apply different effects. You can create a landing page or a menu for a restaurant. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.